Memory card is telling you that you have low storage device. There are two reasons why this thing is actually popping on your Android phone, telling you that you have low storage device. Whenever you want to install anything, it will tell you that you should delete something from your phone. Okay, and sometimes you may delete some videos, delete some app, delete some music, delete many things on your phone, and still this error message will keep on popping, telling you that you don't have enough storage to store or save any file on your phone. Now, I want to show you what you need to do. What if I also tell you that all the applications that you have been deleting on your phone, uninstall them, they are still on your Android phone? It will get you shocked. From the beginning, from the first time you bought your Android phone and you start using it by downloading different applications. If I tell you that all those applications that you have been downloading and install them, you think you delete them or you install them, they are still on your phone. So I'm going to show you how you're going to see all these applications, and once you start erasing them, start deleting them, you see that your phone will start performing very well. You see that your phone will start having more storage device. You see that your phone will start performing in a very high speed. As in, your batteries will start lasting long, and you start having enough space on your phone. So guys, I don't want to talk too much. I want us to dive into this video. Let me show you how you're going to do this. So first thing that we are going to do, okay, I think we should go to our Play Store. Okay, so we are going to go to our Play Store. That is where I'm going to show you all these things. So go to your Play Store. Make sure all your email address that you have been using in or installing applications, make sure you go through them all. Okay, so first things you need to do, I'm going to come over to this place. Okay, please pay attention. Make sure you follow the arrow point so that you will know what I'm actually showing you in this video. So come over to this place. Okay, follow the arrow point and click on this place. Click on the profile. So once you click on the profile, okay, once you click on the profile, what you need to do is for you to come over to this place that say manage device. So guys, pay attention and learn from this thing. Okay, you see this thing that I just circle. Okay, I just circle it. So click on this place that say manage device. Okay, so now when you come to manage device, okay, manage app and device, what you need to do is for you to come over to this place. Okay, so pay attention, come over to this place that I just circle, manage. Okay, click on manage. Here I'm going to show you some applications that you have installed on your phone, or you have uninstalled them, you have deleted them, but they are still existing on your phone. Now if you check all these applications, these are not the applications that I'm talking about. These are applications that are still working and running on my phone. Okay, they are still running on my Android phone. If you see, I have 81 applications, but there are some hidden applications that I have that I've already uninstalled them, have already deleted them, but they are still on this my phone. Google saved them for me. Google is the one that is responsible for your device that is running low, but you don't know about this. So let me go and show you this. Now if you click on this place that say this device, okay, now click on this device. Now what you will see, come over to this place. I have other devices that are attached on this same Android phone. Okay, so come over to this place that say come in guys, make sure you pay attention. Come to this place that say not installed. Okay, click on this one, not installed. Now click on not installed. I'm going to click on this one. So here we are going to see full applications that I've already uninstalled them from the day I bought this phone. There are applications that I've already installed, I've uninstalled them for a very long time, but these applications are still found on my phone. Now take a look and see them. I have these applications here. See, imagine this application have over 1.0 gig. Guys, see, you see this application have over 1.0 gig on my phone. I install it and later uninstall this application, but it's still on my phone. These applications have been a very long time. It's going to 3 years. I didn't know. I finally get touch of this thing. So let me go again. There are many of these applications on my phone here, many with 3 gig, which I'm going to show you guys. You see, all these applications, they are not running on my phone, but they are on the system, take consuming space. Now let me go, keep on going. You'll see many thousands of these applications are here. I want to show you another one that have over how many gig that is consuming my phone storage. Keep on going. Okay, I don't know why his network is actually delaying. So let me go back again and go again. Okay, so keep on going, keep on going. See all these applications. These are applications that I've already uninstalled them, but they are on my phone. Okay, they're on my phone. May go. I have other ones that have over how many gig, especially those games. They are the ones that consume most of my storage. Okay, so let me go. Let me keep on looking for them. Like this application, I installed it and installed this application for a very long time ago, about 2 years ago, but they are still on my phone. Like all these combat games, I know that I have already uninstalled them. Now take a look on this game. This is a game, Life After. This Life After have over 3.3 gig. Imagine 3.3 gig. This 3.3 gig with 1.0 gig. That is over 4.3 gig, taking my space. And I have most of this game. When I install them and uninstall them back, there are many of these games on my phone here. There are many that have, there some have even 6 gig, some have 2 gig. Many of them, they are here. You see all this for now. After seeing all these applications, what do you need to do? What you need to do, you see this mark signed. Okay, you see mark. So you begin to mark all these applications. Okay, you begin to mark all these applications, mark them, and then you click on what you see times button here. Okay, I have over 147 applications that have been installed on this device after when I install them, but they are running in the background of my phone, taking space, consuming my data as well. So what I'm going to do, if you click on, if you after you select the one that you actually want to delete, come over to this place that say times. Okay, make sure you follow the arrow point. Now click on this place. If you click on this place, you see that they say remove selected app. Remove app will not appear here, but can be installed again from the Play Store. You see, just like what I told you guys, that this application were uninstalled on my phone, and Google did not remove do not remove it on my phone directly. Did not remove it completely on my phone. They still put it on my phone. If I want to install them, I should go. But now look at what they are telling me. Say you remove app will not appear here, but can be installed again from the Play Store. You see, they want me, if I remove it, it's completely removed from my device. If I want to install this device, this application, so I have to go back to my Play Store to install them again. Now I want to click on remove. Okay, now they are totally completely removed. Now I have many of them. If I want to remove them, that is how you're going to remove all these applications. Now these are games on my phone. See, this game have over 1.1 gig, 1.0 gig. There are many of these games here. This one have 1.1 gig. You see, this one have 1.3 gig. You see how they are consuming the space of my memory. So guys, if you found this video informative, please make sure you share this video. What I need from you is to share this video so that at least other people will also benefit from this video. Thank you for watching this video, and also go and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.